Pating Reviews presents Kismile Air Fryer 3.8 quart 1500 watt LCD panel. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get the best possible price. Easy to use, good sized air fryer. This air fryer was larger than I expected and is great size for a family. I have used it several times and each time it has cooked evenly and cleaned up with no problems. I'm a delighted cook. There is no option as easy to read and figure out as this air fryer. Would purchase again and recommend it to anyone. It has so many different features in such a small compact machine, but it can cook meals for the whole family and it has a great price. Also, it's a well-known brand that is trusted and very durable and reliable. Definitely recommend that you get this air fryer. Here's a bit more information about this air fryer. It's a large capacity for your whole family. It uses 100% safe paint and material to bring you a healthy life. 3.8 quart air fryer can serve 5 to 8 people at one time. Good choice for home baking, frying, grilling. 110 volt to 120 volts and 1500 watts. 360 degree fast hot air circulation. Through the heating device at the top and bottom, the air inside the pot is rapidly heated under the action of the high power fan. The hot air inside the pot is rapidly circulated for rapid heating. Make your food even crispier and tastier. Temp Touch Control with LCD display. Intelligent digital panel with touch control, all kinds of cooking methods at a glance. Easy to understand. 7 menus, switch easily. Chicken, french fries, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, meat. The LCD panel at the top and the surrounding cooking presets form a ring, making the air fryer hold more design sense. The classic black body makes it more resistant to dirt in the kitchen. Easy to clean. Don't worry about oil stains after using the air fryer. The removable non-stick coated basket is easy to clean. You can use a sponge to clean it in just 90 seconds. The air fryer works without any smoke, and do not worry about the smoke in the kitchen. Oil-free cooker, healthier frying. Our Kismile brand air fryer is more secure than deep frying. The frying process produces a large number of collagens, high in calories and fat, but air frying allows you to cook without oil, giving you a crisp flavor. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.